In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit assignments in Coursera. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your submission process is as smooth as possible. So let's dive right in. To start, the first thing you need to do is navigate to Coursera's website at coursera.org. Once there, you'll see a login option. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your details to log in. If you're new to Coursera, you'll need to create an account first by following the simple sign-up instructions. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on My Learning. This option is your gateway to accessing all the courses you're currently enrolled in. After clicking on it, you'll find a list of courses you've registered for. Now, your task is to choose the course for which you want to submit an assignment. After selecting the course, hit Get Started. This will lead you to the course's main page, where you can find various sections including lectures, quizzes, and of course, assignments. Your next goal is to locate the assignment section within the course. This is typically well marked, so you should spot it easily. If you have trouble, check the course outline on the left-hand side, where you can see an overview of all course activities. When you find your way to the assignments, you might see an option that says Start if it's your first time attempting this assignment, or Resume if you've already started it but had to pause. Click on this button and it will bring up your assignment with all its questions. Now, it's time to get to work. Carefully read and answer each question presented to you. Make sure you have a good grasp of what's being asked in each prompt. Once you've completed all questions to the best of your ability, there's an essential step you can't forget. Look for a checkbox that confirms you've reviewed your work. Ticking this box is crucial as it signifies that your submission is final. Finally, your last task is to type in your name. This is often required to verify you're the one completing the assignment. Double-check your submission one last time and then hit that Submit button. Congratulations, with that, you've successfully submitted your assignment in Coursera. If at any point you need to review your grades or feedback, you can return to the course page and check under the grades section for updates. Happy learning, and remember, practice and persistence are key on your educational journey. Until next time, keep studying and stay curious.